everybody, it's Mindy and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you find some things you like and you come back, hit that subscribe button and hang around for a while. Everybody else, hey again, how are you? I have some stuff to show you. Let's get to it. I'm going to save those for a second and let's look at these first. Here's a toolkit. This is from Paintsomeway. Paintsomeway asked me if I wanted to get a couple things, and I said, absolutely, let's get a couple things. All right, here we go. This was new. I always go to their new section and look for the new stuff. This is a little 30 by 30 lantern with some flowers around it. I thought it was really pretty. It's got 15 different shapes. Look, we got D and E and A and B and C. Lots of special drills on this one. I think it's going to be beautiful. It's kind of fallish, you know what I mean? A little fallish. Let's look at our drills, all 15 of them, and see what they look like. Alrighty, here we go. What do we have for you? Oh, we got some pretty stuff here. Yeah, we do. Pretty stuff. Okay, here's our rhinestones. Pink, gold, yellowy gold, a brown. Oh, look at that. We got one that's a little star shape in there. You see it? A lighter tan, another like, oh, that's a grayish green color right there. Green, light blue, clear. These are really pretty. I mean, these are nice rhinestones. Nothing cloudy or dusty or dirty looking about them. Very bright and shiny. I like them. Orange, pink. That is pink. It looks a little red at first, but there you see it's pink. Then we have these gold faceted rounds. We have some blue pearls. Love the little snowflakes. That's a pink. Pretty. We have these beauties right here, right? Aren't those gorgeous? Those are smooth, like a teal color. And then we have our orange. Love those. Okay, very pretty. So that's number one. I was in a fall theme, fall mood when I picked these out. I picked out this one too, right? Who can resist some pumpkins? I mean, I don't do the whole Halloween thing really big, but I'll do fall, pumpkin-y, stuff like that. Look at all of these 7s around those petals, some big 8s right there. This one only has 8 different drills, and it's probably those are probably our only 2 special ones. The rest look to be rhinestones. Got a big pumpkin, middle pumpkin, and a baby pumpkin, and a bunch of leaves. I thought it was very pretty. All right. Oh, here's our number 8s. Or number 9s. Number 9. I don't see no number 9. Oh, that's because what? There is no number 9. That must be 8. It's got to be 8. What else could it be? Okay. All right. Well, and then here's the other one. There's our, oh look, we have a little blue pearl in there. We got all kinds of stuff in there. Okay. And there's our 7s. Oh, they just skipped 8 apparently. Okay. The rest are rhinestones, like I said. There are 2 bags of the 6 orange. No, 1 of that one. 2 of this one. 1 of this brown color. A red, an orange, and a green. Lots of rhinestones. Like I said, it's mainly rhinestones. Well, glad that wasn't too hard to figure out. But it's pretty, right? It's pretty. Okay, now, here we go. Let's check these out. I'm still on a mission to get all of the monthly gnomes, the hanging things. Still getting some coming broken. Let's see what our luck is like today. Luck be a lady tonight. Let me know if you know what that's from. Here's our chain to hang it from. Some of you will know what that is. Okay, so this is February. February looks good. All right, and February is super cute. So February's in good shape, folks. February is whole. Got our little gnomey over here. February. Okay, let's look at our drills. Whew, 1 down, 1 to go. Oh, I just keep reordering from other companies. If I get a broken one, I'm just like, next order I place, I'll just try it again. Okay, here we go. Oh, this has got some fun stuff in it. Okay. The crystals, the rhinestones look really good. I won't call these crystals. These are rhinestones. But that clear looks really clear. There's a red. Okay, these guys look tiny. These little white ones look super tiny, itsy bitsy. I mean, they look much smaller, don't they? I don't know if those are going to fit or not. I don't know. There's a pink and an orange. All right. And then here's our special drill stuff. So we have some round, red, faceted, round, our red marquee. We have, some clear hearts and pink hearts and yellow flowers. Yellow flowers on this. Huh. Okay, so these are going to be flowers. The A's, there's not very many of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have 2 different heart colors. Yep, C and B. Okay. I'm going to have a lot of those yellow flowers left over, aren't I? Okay, it's cute. I like it. Like I said, I'm still trying to get all of them. As of this morning, I looked at my list. I'm making a list, checking it twice. I'm down to 5 that I still need. 5. All right, let's see this one. What do we get here? We have March, and March is broken. Yep, March is broken. Okay, I'm 50-50 here. March is broke. So I need to reorder March. I really like March. Thankfully, March is a ways away. I'm trying to get all of the ones that are later in this year. I think I might have October, November, December, January now. Now I got February. March is broke. And it's so cute. The rainbow, the pot of gold, the cloud. I love it. Yes, maybe I could glue these together, but you know what? I don't want to. I just don't want to have them broken. Anyhow, I'll just keep trying. And I do let the companies know that these are coming broke, and you might want to consider your packaging. Ramp up the packaging a little bit. Okay. The rhinestones are looking great in these, though. Super shiny. And we have some black, another green, a couple of orangey colors, red. All right. More of the yellow flowers. I'm going to have a ton of yellow flowers. Okay, this color is really cool. I don't think I've ever had that before. That is a bright, bright green. I like that. That's pretty. And then there's a blue. These teardrops. Oh, I've never had these either. Like a lemony yellow, pearly, round, smooth. I like those. Those are pretty. Oh, here's some more rhinestones at the end. A blue, a purple, and these are gorgeous. Gorgeous. I just got these in something. And they were super pretty like that. This iridescent marquee. They're gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. All right. Well, I got nice drills, but I have broken promises. Broken promises. Anyhow, like I said, I'll just keep trying. But I like the pumpkins a lot. The pumpkins are fun. And February is in good shape. I like February. February's going to be really pretty. I need to take a minute out of my daily busy schedule and do like October. That'll be my October decoration for my house. Anyhow, there we go. That's what we got today, folks. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you know what that song was from. Some of you will know. Let me know. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I'm going to go email Paintsomeway and say hello. Let them know it's broken. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. See ya soon.